feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car, hit the button, drive real far, put that record on me like, oh, I'm dreaming of you, I dream of a new night. Fight in the dark till we see the sunlight. My love is you and I. Close, close and cool like this fire. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.
Even though it's not our job, this is from the previous painter, so it's good to actually clean it off. It doesn't look like you put it on there. So what I'm just using to clean that off with is this, just call it spray remover, paint remover. So I'm just going to spray that on there, and then we should be able to just wipe that off.
Can't wait to see me now, 'cause lately you've been feeling down. You lay awake alone at night. Oh, like your life inside a car. Forget the world and drive real far. Put that record on again. Oh, my love, it's you and I. Close, close and cool like this fire. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.
So here, all finished. 3 coats on the top, 2 on all the rest. Now that's going to have that wire through it. That was there. Downpipe's finished. All the eaves are finished. All been cut in, rolled, cut in. Still a little bit wet there, you'll see. As we go around, rain heads are all finished, painted. The downpipes are finished. These are all finished. So all the way along here, same thing, finished. So I'm not sure how many of them, maybe 20 of those. Maybe 10 downpipes. All this front's finished. And I've painted down the bottom there as well, just to give it that finished look. So that's the cladding done as well. There's a couple of coats of weather shield on the cladding. Yeah, that's it. So that's all the outside done.
So
we're going to be putting all new hardware on this house, so all door stocks, stuff like that. They'll go in the wet areas on the tiles, so we'll fit them, fit all the new ones, and that way, yeah, the house is going to be like new, pretty good. So if you can, part of your packing up in a house like this, you take all the light fittings and soak them in hot water, and they're all covered in paint. See that? I don't know if you can see that, that's all paint. Okay, not a very good light, but still better than nothing. So, you see all the old paint from the other painter. So we're going to try and clean that off because we don't really want to put them back on our nice new light switches. We'll just clean off the wall. And that's another little helpful tip from a painter, just to make sure that your customer gets a nice finished product and they don't have to be taking off the paint or the covers again. And you're going to do it. You see it all there, that's the purple there. You can tell which rooms they come from by the different colours of paint on them. It's not real easy to see the paint in this light, but trust me, it's there. So when you're set up in a house, like this one here that has the floor coverings down, what I like to do is put some plastic underneath, then a couple of layers of drop sheet. So what I've done here on this house, for example, this is where we mix our paint, is I put a piece of black plastic. It's a thick builder's plastic. I've put it down. I put another drop sheet over the top just for any splashes. Then I've got a double drop sheet there, so no matter what happens, no paint will go through on the floor. You could do this on carpet as well. It's no dramas. And so even if you spilt dirty terps or something like that, it still wouldn't go through to the floor.